It's not so much that you shouldn't be using your phone. It's when you use your phone and how you use your phone. But your phone is leverage. And I never want to give up that leverage, right? I talked to someone about, if I'm out in the wilderness, do you need your phone? And I said, hell yeah.
Yeah.
I want to know what kind of tree that is and if I can eat that berry, right? And what bug just bit me, right? I want to know stuff. To me, it's kind of like saying, well, use cars too much. Why don't you just walk? You don't need a car. No, it's not about using it too much. I want to have it. People talk about being unplugged. I think that's more of a mindset thing, right? When I'm doing karate, I'm certainly not thinking about technology. Like when I go to Japan for karate, I don't use my phone hardly at all.
Right.
Because I don't need to. When I come home from the day's thing, I might use it. But the whole day I'm doing things, I don't have my phone. So it really depends on what you're doing, not how long you're doing it. And again, with young people, because they're using it already, I just have to show them how to use it more productively and appropriately. But again, I would dissuade this idea that they shouldn't have it. That's just wrong thinking. You want them to be augmented with the power that this supercomputer in your pocket gives you at all times. There's no reason not to do that. Yeah. And so again, there is appropriate use, but it's not about how long, it's when and how.